Hey you, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladessa. You spell that L-A capital D-E-S-S-A. L to the D to the L to the D to the L to the D to the Ladessa. What's good? If you are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are one of my regular schmegulars, what it do, boo? So I have not recorded anything since the last video that I put up, makeup wise. I did record 2 cooking videos. One I made beef and broccoli bowl, and the other one was sausage and peppers over spaghetti squash. I haven't really felt like editing it, but if you guys want to see it, let me know down in the comment section, because that's where we get to know each other if you are new. But get down. I have a dog now. Come on, let's meet the people. Come on. She's so heavy. This is Legend. Say hi, Legend. I named her. When I adopted her, her name was Little Mama. I didn't want her name to be Little Mama. I wanted her name to be Legend. So this is Legend. And we're in my kitchen, so she got to get down because we not that kind of family. And now the holes in my sweats are caught. But anyway, so yeah, if you want to see those videos, let me know in the comment section. I just wanted to hop in here and just say I love you and I miss you. And I'm thinking about you. And I have a little hack for you. That's really why I'm here. I just wanted to share something with you. And check in and let you guys know that I'm doing good. Let me know how you're doing. How are you surviving? Doing a little mental health check-in. You got to get down, but get down. Sanitizer. Yeah, so one of my videos I was sharing with you all that I was suffering from SAD, which is basically like a seasonal depression, if you will. And crazy thing, psych your mind, Calvin Klein, right? Before, when I had the opportunity to do whatever it is I wanted to do, I didn't want to do nothing. Now they told me I had to sit my tail down. Now I'm trying to think of, do I need anything from the, no, you don't. Sit down. But anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about you. I'm doing well. I hope you're doing well. I'm praying for you all. I'm praying for this world. I'm praying for our political leaders, because Corona Lachey done hit the streets, and this broad is out here bad, okay? So anyway, I wanted to just share with you all a little hack. So, everybody is the cleanest they've ever been. Now, those of you like me who, stock up just on a regular and, enjoy things like Clorox wipes. So, I have one canister of Clorox wipes left down in my downstairs bathroom. And I had to resort to, hold on. I had to resort to the Great Value. So I had 3 of these. 3 of these came in a pack. And then I have one in my other bathroom, one in the kitchen. And my daughter took one. So that was it for that. And I was like, where am I? I can't live without, I don't know how I got through life without these wipes. So I was hoping that I could maybe find some disinfectant wipes down to the Dollar Tree. Well, I couldn't, of course, because nothing is on the shelves. And I just was kind of going through kind of like the houseware, hardware, automotive area, that aisle. And I found these right here. These are actually the glass wipes. So I grabbed some of these, and they also have some all-purpose wipes. Now, there was plenty of these wipes. And I was like, you know what? I am going to take these 40 count wipes, okay, and put in my favorite favorite disinfectant, add a little bleach to it, and drop these babies right into this canister. So that's what I did. So you know, a canister like this will run you almost $4 to $5 of the Clorox wipes if you don't get the 3-pack, which can be a bit more discounted. So for $1, you get 40. So there's 75 wipes in here. So for $2 at the Dollar Tree, you can have more than enough wipes. And you just add your favorite disinfectant spray in here, because the hell, that's all it is. And these wipes, I mean, the hassle of it is it's not in a roll, so you can't pull. You got to stick your hand in there. But we got to keep our hands clean anyway. So you just take, it's down to the bottom, so they juicy right now. But you just take your wipes out. And yeah, these wipes are just as good and nice and stretchy as the Clorox wipes. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me go get my Clorox wipes. Hold on. All right, so here are my Clorox wipes, right? You know, they're in the little thing, and you pull them, and they're just not as stretchy, but just as, you know, see-through, if you will, as these. And these are longer. These are wider, but I'm just saying, hey, save some money. Now, don't go telling all the people that I didn't put you up on game, because now there ain't going to be no more wipes in the automotive section. But just in case you haven't been able to find any wipes, you have that alternative. So that was it. I just wanted to share that with you all. Add your favorite Fabuloso, your cleaning vinegar, or, you know, whatever kind of cleaning spray you can get your hands on. Just pour a little in here, and there you go. So again, I love you. I'm praying for you. Oh, excuse me. You like my makeup? So I recorded a little video with some ladies, did a little collab thing for the other social media. I think they're putting it on like TikTok or Instagram or something like that. But yeah, and I got my natural hair out. I've been trying to do that because the wigs and stuff and ponytails are breaking my hair off, and I don't really want to flat iron my hair. So yeah, this is what I've been doing. And yeah, oh, let me show you. No, I'm gonna wait to show you what I've been doing around my house. But anyway, so that's it. Again, I love you. I'm thinking about you. I'm praying for you. And I'll check back in probably in maybe a week or so when I can get back into the swing of things of, you know, doing makeup and all that other stuff. Kind of I'm revamping my filming space, so that's what I'm doing. But I want to do a video on the big reveal. So come on, but let's say goodbye to the people. Don't do that. Ah. When I got her, she was so skinny. And I think they used to fight her because she used to have like a little nervous pee and thing. Sometimes she still does if she gets too scary. But so say bye, legend. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. All right, guys. Always remember to pack light, because bag lady, bag man, you and me too, we are going to hurt our backs. Ugh. Dragging all them bags like that. Go forth and slay. I'll see you next time. Bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. All right, bye.